Today we're checking out the Neoprene Sideless Front Seat cover with the Wrangler logo and a universal fit. This cover is a great option for Wrangler owners who want to protect their front seats from dirt, spills, and wear and tear, while adding a bit of Wrangler pride to their interior. The standout feature of this seat cover is its very durable neoprene construction. Neoprene is the same material used in wetsuits, which means it's water resistant, UV resistant, and highly effective in guarding against everyday messes like mud, sweat, and food spills. That makes this an ideal choice for Jeep owners who use their rigs for off-roading, beach trips, or outdoor work. This cover is designed to be sideless, which allows for full compatibility with factory side airbags. That is a key benefit for safety, and it ensures that none of your Jeep's built-in protection systems are going to be obstructed. The front of this cover features a clean but bold embroidered Wrangler logo that adds a custom branded look to your interior. It's a subtle but stylish touch that Jeep fans will appreciate. This seat cover is also going to include built-in rear storage pockets on the backside, adding extra utility by giving you a spot to stash maps, tools, or small accessories. The cover's snug fit is achieved through a combination of elastic straps and hook and loop fasteners, ensuring it stays securely in place even when daily use or using it out there on the trail. Constructed from high-quality neoprene like I mentioned earlier, this cover offers great durability and resistance to moisture, UV rays, and mildew. The stitching is reinforced to handle repeated use, and the embroidered logo is stitched directly into the material. It's not an add-on decal, so it's not going to fade or peel off over time. The sideless design provides a clean, tailored look while keeping the safety systems fully operational. As far as pricing goes, this seat cover is coming in right around the $60 price range. For a waterproof, durable, and stylish solution with the Wrangler logo embroidered on it, it's an easy installation and compatible with all Wrangler generations. That makes it a smart and affordable way to preserve your seats. Installation on this is extremely easy, so we're going to rate it just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in just 5 minutes of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop, and they're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how to get this on your seats.
So we're going to start by getting everything laid out on our seat, and then we've got a bunch of these elastic bands to connect. So I'm going to start with the seat bottom. Now we have clips on our seat back that are going to clip into these. So we're just going to get this loosely in place for now. And then we can get our seat back. We're going to pull the Velcro here so we can slip it over the headrest. So now we're just going to connect that Velcro strap. And then you can lower that back down, and we'll connect our back and our bottom. Now we're going to connect these clips to the straps on our seat bottom. Slide that in, and then you're going to be shoving it in the gap between the seat bottom and the back. Do the same thing on the other side. Shove that through and pull it tight. Next, we're going to start connecting all of our straps together. We're going to be using these S-hooks to do that. Now this front one is going to run underneath the seat, and it's going to connect to the ones on our seat back. Now these two, this bottom one is going to go underneath the seat to the back. This one is going to go straight back, just like that. We're going to connect both of these together with the S-hook, and then we're going to strap it to the strap that goes all the way under. And it's going to be the same thing for the other side. So I'm going to get one of these installed onto this strap. I'm going to hang it under the seat, and then we can go into the back and connect it up. So now we're going to go under our seat, pull that strap through, and hook it up to this strap here. Pull that nice and tight. Pull the top down and connect them. And then you can bring over your 2 side straps. This is the lower one that's gonna run under the seat. It's gonna connect into here. Just gonna go into there for now while I get the other one. And I'm gonna slide that into that hook it onto there, and now do that exact same thing for the other side. And now last thing we have to do is install our headrest cover. Slide that over and work it into place. And then you have a Velcro strap underneath to attach. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Neoprene Sideless Front Seat Cover with Wrangler logo. Universal, some adaptation may be required. Thank you for watching, and for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.